Good morning, students. Welcome again. Today in accountancy, we are going to see the next new method to calculate the new ratio. Students, we have seen three methods till now. First one is remaining ratio. Second one, we have seen the sacrifice made by the partners in fraction. And third, we have seen the sacrifice made by the partners in proportion. Today we are going to see the fourth method to calculate the new ratio. Now, suppose if the question is given like this, that A and B are partners. These two are already a partner. And the ratio is suppose 3:2. The ratio is 3:2. They have admitted C as a new partner. Now the share of the C is suppose 1/5. 1/5. Now from 1/5, C will get 1/10 from A. 1/10 from A and remaining from B. Remaining from B. Then calculate new ratio. I repeat again, A and B are partners. The ratio is 3:2. They have admitted C. Ratio of C is the new ratio of the partner that is coming in the business, that is 1/5. Now C will get 1/10 from A and remaining from B. So how to calculate new ratio? Now students, listen. For example, I am giving you an example. A and B are partners and C is admitted. C will get 100 rupees, 100 rupees from business. From 100 rupees, 60 rupees will be given by A and remaining will be by B. So will you please tell me how much the B will give? फिर से समझाता हूँ. A और B पार्टनर्स है और C नया बिजनेस में आ रहा है. C को टोटल 100 रुपीस मिलेंगे. वो 100 में से C के 100 में से A देगा 60 रुपीस, 60. तो B कितना देगा? 40 रुपीस, 40 रुपए. हाउ? टोटल शेयर ऑफ अ न्यू पार्टनर माइनस शेयर sacrificed by one partner, so you will get the share sacrificed by another partner. So similarly we have to find out here the same thing. Let me calculate here. Sacrifice of B. A का तो already sacrifice दिया है, so we have to find out the sacrifice of B. That is equal to share of new partner minus share sacrificed by a first partner or another partner. Now हमें ढूंढना है B का sacrifice. So according to this, share of new partner, that is 1/5 minus share sacrificed by another, that is A, 1/10. So now suppose if we have to take LCM, that will be 10. So 5 2s are 10 and 10 1s are 10. So here we have to do like this. 2 1s are 2 minus 1 1s are 1 upon 10. So again we will get here 1/5. Sorry, 1/10. 2 minus 1, that is 1 upon 10. So sacrifice of B will be also how much? 1 by 10. And sacrifice of A is also how much? 1 by 10. Now to calculate new ratio. So I will write down here new ratio equal to old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. A. Old ratio of A, that is 3 raised to 2. So I will write down 3 by 5 minus sacrifice ratio 1 by 10. This is, so if we take LCM, 5 2s are 10, 10 1s are 10, 3 2s are 6 will be there, minus 1 1s are 1 upon 10. So it is 5 by 10. B. Share is 2, old ratio, so 2 by 5 minus sacrifice we got here 1 by 10. So I will write down 1 by 10. So 5 2s are 10, 10 1s are 10, 2 2s are 4, minus 1 1s are 1 upon 10. So this is 3 by 10. C. Now the ratio of C is already given 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 I will write down. But here in denominator 10 is there, here also 10 is there. So to make the 10 I have to multiply by 2. So it is 2 by 10. So you can say new ratio equal to 5 raised to 3 raised to 2. This is the answer. Now question again I am repeating. A and B are partners. Ratio is 3 raised to 2. C is admitted. The share of C is 1 by 5. And from C's share, A will give this much, 1 by 10. And remaining will be given by B. So we have to find out this remaining. So we got remaining here. Sacrifice of B, that is remaining. So this way we got share of new partner minus share of another. Another means A. टोटल जो मिल रहा है सी को उसमें से ए कितना दे रहा है वो माइनस कर दीजिए तो बाकी बचेगा वो बी देगा तो वी गॉट हियर 1 by 10 तो ये हुआ सैक्रिफाइस ऑफ बी नाउ न्यू रेशियो इक्वल टू ओल्ड रेशियो माइनस सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो ए का ओल्ड रेशियो ये है सैक्रिफाइस ये है सो यू विल गेट 5 by 10 बी का ओल्ड रेशियो ये है सैक्रिफाइस ये है यू विल गेट 3 by 10 और सी का तो ऑलरेडी 1 by 5 दिया है 10 मल्टीप्लाई हमने 10 करने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई किया 2 से so you'll get 2 by 10 so answer is 5 raised to 3 raised to 2 this is your answer so hope this concept is clear okay now let's see one more question Okay now students, one more same type of question I am writing here. Suppose P and Q two partners are there P and Q. Their ratio is 2 raised to 1. They have admitted R. The share of R is suppose like 1 by 10. R will get 1 by 20 from Q. 1 by 20 from Q. And remaining from P. Same type of question, just for a knowledge purpose or more better understanding purpose. P और Q पार्टनर्स है, R नया है, P और Q का रेशियो है 2:1, R जो आ रहा है उसका रेशियो है 1/10। अब जो 1/10 है उसमें से वो ले रहा है 1/20 Q के पास से और बाकी का उसको मिलेगा P के पास से, तो हमें ढूंढना है न्यू रेशियो। सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट sacrifice of P. Sacrifice of P. Now how to get sacrifice of P? The share of new partner share is 1/10 minus share sacrificed by another partner means Q, so that is 1/20. So directly LCM 10 2s are 20, 20 1s are 20, so we get here 2 1s are 2 minus 1 1s are 1 upon 20. So we get the answer here 1/20. This is the sacrifice of P. Q का तो दिया ही है. Now as same we have done in the last question, new ratio equal to old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. P old ratio is 2/3 minus sacrifice is 1/, that is sacrifice we got just now 1/20. Now LCM is 60, so we have to say 20 3s are 60 and 3 20s are 60. So I will do here like this: 20 2s are 40 minus 3 upon 60, that is 37/60. Now Q old ratio is 1/3 minus sacrifice already given in the question 1/20. So LCM is again same, 20 here 3 here 60 is LCM, 20 1s are 20 minus 3 1s are 3 upon 60, so it is 17 upon 60. And R already the ratio is given 1/10. Now students, denominator here is 60, here also 60 is there, so to make the 60 we have to multiply by 6, so it is 6/60. So the new ratio is 37 raised to 17 raised to 6. That is your answer. Students, I think this is method number 4 we have seen. Now in the next lecture we will see the method number 5, and then after we are going to see the long sums, comprehensive sums of admission chapter. Hope you will have a very good time. Thank you very much.